The UFD extension identifies a Ulead PhotoImpact frame file containing decorative frame templates for photo enhancement in PhotoImpact software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, use, or convert these photo frame template files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful UFD inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. UFD files are decorative frame template files for Ulead PhotoImpact storing pre-designed photo frame graphics with transparency masks and overlay effects. They provide one-click decorative borders and frames for enhancing photographs in the PhotoImpact image editor. PhotoImpact UFD files use a proprietary format, storing frame graphic data with alpha transparency channels, overlay blend modes, and positioning information. They define how the decorative frame composites over the photograph with proper masking and transparency. Your first application to test with UFD should be Coral PhotoImpact from Coral Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows may load the image, but its editable structure is accessible only in design applications. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the UFD file and choose Open With. Start with Coral PhotoImpact if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If your UFD file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the UFD file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening the file. Install Ulead PhotoImpact and access UFD frame files through the Frame and Shadow gallery. Apply frames by selecting the gallery item while a photo is open. The frame automatically fits around the photograph with proper scaling and transparency. Next, converting to PNG. If PhotoImpact is available, apply the UFD frame to a blank canvas and export the result as PNG with transparency to create a reusable frame overlay. The PNG file can be used in any modern image editor, including Photoshop GIMP or Canva for photo framing. Finally, alternative frame sources. Since PhotoImpact is discontinued, find replacement decorative frames as PNG overlays, with transparency from free design resource websites. Apply PNG frame overlays in any modern image editor using layer composition to achieve similar photo framing effects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.